Let's take a look at what's going on with this forecast. We do have some new information to tell you here on what's new, literally just within the last 5 minutes. Tomorrow, we really don't have too many problems, okay? Here's the thing. We're going to be in the low 40s. We may start off with a little rain-snow mix that will be non-impactful, and then that changes over to rain, and it will be breezy. It looks like that will be taking place as we head into the afternoon. But temperatures are in the 40s. It is just rain for the day tomorrow. So what's the same? We still have a major winter storm that's going to be moving in early Friday. A flash freeze is likely, as any of the water that comes down tomorrow will be freezing. And then we have high wind gusts. We're still talking 50, 60 mile per hour wind gusts. That will be causing power outages and also reducing visibilities because of blowing snow. This has not changed since the start of this whole thing. What is changing is the fine details. The timing of the cold air now looks to be into Cleveland at 1 a.m. instead of 2 or 3 a.m. The highest wind gusts are coming late on Friday. That continues to be a huge concern. The wind gust potential is now 60 plus, especially in areas east of Cleveland. And the snow amounts are changing. They will change. They will keep changing. Don't even worry about the snow amounts. The snow we can handle, but it's the combination of the three that really gets things kind of in a pinch. So there's the storm. It's starting to evolve. The pieces are coming together, and this will present a bit of a forecast challenge because now we've got some tangible things that we can start to fine tune in this forecast. Look at the extent of the warnings and advisories with this thing. Jay, look at the screen. I mean, it goes from northern border to southern border and areas in between. We also have blizzard warnings off of the northern lakes from Michigan and then in northern Indiana. And here in northeast Ohio, we now have a winter storm warning. This is for Erie, Huron, Lorain, Cuyahoga, Medina, Summit, Lake Geauga, Portage, Ashtabula, and Trumbull counties. The winter storm watch has still been posted areas farther south, and we have a wind chill watch as well. This is where technicalities will kill us. Don't focus on the technicalities. The winter storm warning, this is the area where it will be windy. It will be cold, and we will have more snow than areas farther south. But areas farther south, it will be colder, it will still be windy, and you may not have as much snow. So let's go hour by hour now. We've got a beautiful night tonight, clouds in place, 6 a.m., temps at around freezing, just about the time we start to get some rain moving in. So that presents this little challenge with a rain-snow mix. By midday, temperatures will be well above freezing, so rain showers on and off with gusty winds out of the southeast. 5 p.m., we have rain coming down, so this is a concern for the evening commute tomorrow. Then those showers begin to pick up in intensity as we head toward midnight. There's the front. This is 12 a.m. Friday. We may hear thunder as this front comes through. It goes from heavy rain to a brief period of heavy snow. This is going to be big time heavy snow at about 12 to 1 a.m. as this thing moves through. This front is expected to move at about 60 miles an hour. It's just going to plow its way through here, and there will be a huge punch of wind that comes with it. We will have a period of heavy snow in the early morning hours on Friday, but look what's happened to the temperatures. By 7 a.m., as the snow is beginning to back off, we have air temperatures in the low single digits to near zero. Wind chills anywhere from 20 to 25 below zero, even close to 30 below zero. This is what we're talking about with the punch that this thing's going to have. We're going to continue to have some lake effect snow, especially in Lake and northern Ashtabula counties as we go through Friday. But here's the thing, no matter how much snow falls, it's all going to be blowing and drifting because we have extremely high wind gusts. We're talking about a 1/4 inch of rain on average throughout northeast Ohio. All of that water will be freezing. And when we start to talk about snow, I know everybody wants to know this, just take it with a grain of salt because it's all going to be blowing around anyway. We're talking 8 to 12 inches by Sunday for the Lake and northern Ashtabula County areas, then 3 to 6 inches inland areas. This is why we're saying the snow is not the big deal of this forecast. It's the snow in combination with the cold and the extremely gusty winds. I'm going to skip this and we're going to go into this. Temperature plunge is a big deal. High winds are a big deal. The combination of those two will be causing power outages that will be an even bigger deal, and blowing and drifting snow will be a big problem for us. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Still going 40s tomorrow. Remember, we're going to start very early Friday morning in the 40s, and temperatures are in the teens and fallings. Single-digit temperatures, I think, for Saturday and Sunday, and then finally things start to get a little bit better for us by Monday and Tuesday. Friday is going to be a heck of a day here in Northeast Ohio. We'll have more What's New coming up.